Okay guys, this is how to dismantle the excess table in the house. So I will sell it now in the garage. Okay, so after dismantle this, because we have another table, so we need to remove this by screw to divide it into two. My style is here. I screw this in the middle, so two piece instead. Remove each legs. Okay, so that's it for now. Instead, they remove the four legs because I have some things to do. Okay, so instead they remove this one by one. I will remove this in the middle. Okay, so after in the middle, that's the best way to remove this table. Okay, so just wait.